Show Auntie how you drive it.
Come here, Nicholas. Come on. Come on, Nicholas. Good job.
Come on, Nick.
Come on, let's get back on.
Drive your four-wheeler.
Come
Show
on.
Auntie how it's done.
Come on, get on the four-wheeler, no? Y'all done? Good job.
Hop on.
Go ahead, get on, Nicholas. Are you all done? Are you all done? Are you gonna call Grammy on the phone and tell her that it scared you? Go ahead, call Grammy. Yeah? Yeah? Are you all done on the four-wheeler? Did it scare you?